Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akbar S. From Public Administration, Postgraduate Program, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Hasanuddin University Makassar. Today, I will present my research entitled The Influence of Work, Behavior, and Organizational Commitment and Employee Performance at the Office of Investment and One-Stop Service in West Sulawesi Province. Next, introduction. Humans are the most strategic resource owned by an organization. Without reduction, the importance of other resources such as capital, machine, time, energy, information, and so on. Although funds and resources enable organizations to do something, it's human resource that cause an organization to run. In a government organization, employees are the main movers in all organizational activities. The success of an organization is strongly influenced by the performance of the employees. Law number 40, 43 of 1999 concerning amendment to law number 8 of 1974 concerning the main point of employment explained that a civil servant is very citizen of the Republic of Indonesia who has fulfilled the specific recruitment is appointed by an authorized official and entrusted with tasks in a public office or entrusted with the other state that is and paid according to the applicable law and regulation. Next, literature review. Number one, variable X1, behavior work. Variable X2, commitment organizational. And variable Y, employee performance. Next slide. Research method. In this study, the approach is a quantitative approach. In this study, research described in detail, depth, and comprehensively relate to the effect of work, behavior, and organizational commitment and employee performance in the PMPTSP Sulbar descriptively. This study aims to 1. Analyze the effect of work, behavior, and on employee performance at the West Sulawesi One-Stop Integrated Service and Investment Service. Number 2. Analysis organizational commitment to employee performance at the Investment One-Stop Service Office of West Sulawesi. Number 3. Analysis how big is the influence of work, behavior, and organizational commitment and employee performance at the Investment and One-Stop Service Office, West Sulawesi. Next. Result and discussion. Descriptive of data of work behavior variable X1. The result research on the influence of work behavior of the Office Investment One-Stop Service West Sulawesi Province, which was obtained for the total score obtained in calling questionnaire data which was 2.113 based on the result of the Office of Investment One-Stop Service West Sulawesi performance 99%, which show that the implementation of respondent work behavior is in a very good assessment. Next, description of data and organizational commitment variable X2. That's based on the result of research and employee performance at the Office of Investment and One-Stop Service in West Sulawesi Province. It was obtained from the total score obtained in collection questionnaire data, which was 1.447 based on the result of research at the Office of Investment and Stock Service West Sulawesi Province 63%, which show that, that the implementation of employee performance is in a very good assessment. Next, uh, next, best description of data on employee performance variable Y1. Based on the result of research employee performance at the Office Investment and One-Stop Service in West Sulawesi Province is what obtained from the total score obtained in collecting questionnaire data with was 2.11392. That based on result research in the Office of Investment and One-Stop Service with Sulawesi Province 63 69%, which show that the implementation of employee performance is in a very good assessment. Next, result and discussion. The effect of work behavior X2, X1, and on employee performance Y. The result of this study are also supported by the result of previous study with research results starting the work behavior has been shown to have a positive and partially significant effect on employee performance. Next, the effect of organizational commitment X2 on employee, employee performance Y. The result of this study are supported by previous research which show that organizational commitment has a significant effect on employee performance, either directly or indirectly through job justification, while other studies have shown that organizational commitment contribusi 2003% to employee performance. Next, the influence of work, behavior, and organization commitment and employee performance in the one-stop service investment and one-stop service office of West Sulawesi. The results of this study are supported by previous research which result that innovative work behavior and organizational commitment have a positive and significant effect on employee performance. Next, consolidation. This study aims to determine the effect of work behavior and organizational commitment and employee performance at the Office of Investment and One-Stop Service in West Sulawesi Province. Based on the result of testing and analysis the data that has been collected, the following consolidations can be drawn. 1. Work behavior has a positive and significant effect in employee performance at the Office of Investment and One-Stop Integrated Service in the West Sulawesi Province is that is it is that the first hypothesis is accepted. This means that that if the work behavior is good, I will improve performance. 2. Organizational commitment has a positive and significant effect on employee performance at the investment service and one-stop integrated service office of West Sulawesi Province. Then it is that the second hypothesis is accepted. This means that if the organizational commitment is good, it will have an impact on increasing employee performance. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi